When a woman releases during sexual intercourse and she's making love to a man that she loves, and the man is also faithful to her, the kind of speed that comes on that man is beyond bounds. Listen to me, men. And this is one thing you don't understand. There are 4 waters in the body of a woman. The first water is when she releases. You people think it's sperm. It's not sperm, it's water in the realms of the spirit. Every time your woman releases or squirts, she's pouring on you what they call the rivers of prosperity, the rain of prosperity. Women are heavily endowed. That is why God puts things inside of women that man cannot understand. Every woman is a reproducer. She can reproduce you. You, that man, she can reproduce. She can give you a child that looks exactly like you. So that is somebody to fear. The second water in the woman's body is the tears on her eyes. Listen to me, child of God. Every woman, when she shed tears, now tears is divided into 2. It's either the tears of pain or the tears of joy. Every man should make sure that his woman shares more tears of joy than tears of pain. Because listen to me, child of God, when your woman is always shedding tears of joy for you, forget it. Your success is unlimited. Even the demons in your father's compound, witchcraft, foundational powers cannot stop you, because the woman has a right over you. The woman has a command over you. The woman has a spiritual backing over you. She becomes a lord over you. This is one thing men don't understand. The Bible says a wise woman keeps her home. The Bible never said the home belongs to the man. He said a wise woman keeps her home. Our home. What is home? You are in part of the home. Yes, the man is the head of the woman, but the woman is the head of the home. The Bible says, treat your wives, I think 1 Peter 3:9, it said, treat your wives with wisdom. Men, treat your wife with wisdom, so that your prayers might not be hindered. There is nothing that facilitates your success like when your woman sheds tears of joy. Listen, something shifts in the realms of the spirit. Something moves in your favor when she's always excited. Your woman should look at you, and the tears that comes out of her eyes is the tears of joy. Another thing every man should understand, another tears in the body of a woman, and this one is very, very dangerous, is her lips, her mouth. Don't kiss a woman that is not happy with you. If your woman is not happy with you, don't kiss her. If your woman is not happy with you, don't kiss her. You see, the saliva from the mouth of a woman is authority. The saliva in the mouth of, listen, Jezebel said to her husband, he said, my husband, if that garden does not belong to you by tomorrow, forget it. Jezebel looked at Elijah and he said to Elijah, if your head is not off your shoulder by tomorrow, I'm not Jezebel. Fear woman. Their words are authority. Their words are power. Their words are influenced by spirits. So when a woman kisses you, and the Bible says the power of life and death is in the tongue. Many people don't understand these things. They just think it's normal. No, sir. Women are spiritual. One more thing I will give you. Another water from a woman is her breast, especially the left breast. My God, that one gives you longevity. That one gives you long life. Why do you think when a baby is born, the baby sucks on the breast? The breast nurtures the child. The breast makes the child grow. It gives the child vitamins. Why do you think the breast is a place where the devil is attacking today? Look at most women today. Most women today are attacked by breast cancer. And I've made a research. If you will agree with me, if you're into medicine, if you're into the medical field, you understand that most times, most of the women with breast cancer are always from the left breast, because the left breast signifies ownership. That's why you put a ring on the left hand of your woman. That's why when you see a ring on the left hand of a woman, you know she's married, she's taken. That left breast of a woman, when you suck it as a man, in fact, the more you suck it, the more life you give to yourself. You might think this is a joke, but this is spiritual secrets that many prophets and men of God wouldn't tell you. Women are divine. Don't joke with women. If you want to succeed, let your woman be happy. To whom brain is given, sense is expected. If you're a woman, share this video 7 times. It is well with you.